Good morning, F2, and welcome to our maths lesson. What day is it today? While you're thinking about that, let's sign the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. What day is it today? If you said Thursday, you're right. My turn. Today is Thursday. Your turn. Well done. Today we are going to practice our counting between 1 and 20. We've already been reminding ourselves about our teen numbers and how they need the n sound at the end. So we're going to get started straight away. Ask your grown-up to listen carefully as you're counting and work out if you're saying the teen numbers correctly. If you're not, maybe they can help you to practice them a little bit more. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to start on number 3 and we're going to stop on number 16. First, we are counting forwards and that means that our numbers are going to be getting bigger. Off we go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now we're going to count backwards and that means our numbers are going to be getting smaller. Off we go. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. This time, let's start on number 9 and we'll count all the way up to number 20. We're going to count forwards first and that means our numbers are going to be getting bigger. Off we go. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This time let's count backwards. Don't forget, that means our numbers are getting smaller. Off we go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Hiding under these green shapes, we have some numbers. What I want you to do is look carefully as I reveal them and tell your grown-up what they are. That's right, it's a Numicon piece showing us 1. Well done, it's the numeral 9. Yes, this is 6. It has 6 spots, 3 on one side and 3 on the other side. You might have seen this pattern on a dice. That's right, it's the numeral 0. Yes, the person is showing us 4 fingers. That's right, it's the numeral 2. Yes, this is the Numicon piece that shows us 8. It has 4 holes on one side and 4 holes on the other side. That's right, this is 3. You might have seen this pattern before on a dice. Yes, this is the numeral 7. That's right, it's a Numicon piece showing us 5. It has 2 holes on one side and 3 holes on the other side. Today, we're going to be finding one more. To do this, you're going to need all of your Numicon pieces. Ask your grown-up to help you to cut very carefully around them because we're going to be putting them together. Pause the video while you get them ready. Okay, let's get started. Just like before, we have a sentence at the bottom of our page. It tells us what we need to do. It says, 1 more than 7 is, so the first number that we need is 7. 7 is already there. Next, we need to add one more. Here is one more piece of Numicon. To work out how many we have altogether, we can use the other Numicon shapes. Look carefully at the shape that this has made with the 7 and the 1, and let's see which piece will fit on top. Is it the 6? No, this one is too small. What about the 8? Yes, this is the same size. So now we have 8. First we had 7, then we added one more, and now we have 8. That tells us that 1 more than 7 is 8. Let's try this one. Our sentence says 1 more than 9 is... So how do we need to work it out? First, we have 9. Here's our 9 Numicon piece. It's already in the right place. Now, we need to add one more. Here it is. First, we had 9. Then we added one more. How many do we have now? Let's find a large Numicon piece that fits on top. I think it might be this one. Yes, 10 fits on top, and that means that the number we have now is 10. First we had 9, then we added one more, now we have 10. That tells us that 1 more than 9 is 10. This time it's your turn. Read the sentence at the bottom and use your Numicon to help you to work out how many we have now. Pause the video while you do that. Okay, now let's do it together. The sentence says 1 more than 6 is... So first, we have 6. Here's our 6 Numicon, ready for us to use. Then we add one more. That's right, we need to add one more. First we have 6, then we add one more. Now how many do we have? I need a Numicon piece that's the same shape. Could it be 5? No, that's too small. What about 7? That's right, it's 7. First we had 6, then we added one more. Now we have 7. That tells us that 1 more than 6 is 7. Well done if you got that right. Okay, your turn again. Read the sentence. Work out how many we have now. Pause the video while you do that. Okay, now let's do it together. The sentence says 1 more than 8 is... So first we have 8. Here is 8. Okay, then we need to add one more. First we have 8, then we add one more. But how many do we have now? I need to find a shape that has 4 holes on one side and 5 holes on the other side. Here it is. It's 9. First I had 8, then I added one more, and now I have 9. That tells me that 1 more than 8 is 9. Well done if you got that right. This time we need to find the first Numicon piece too, and then we need to add one more. Okay, so we're going to read the sentence just like we did before, but the Numicon piece is not here. We have to find the first number as well. 1 more than 7 is... So first we have 7. What does the 7 Numicon piece look like? Here it is. Here is 7. First, we have 7. Then what do we need to do? That's right, we need to add one more. First, we have 7. Then we add one more. Now we have 8. Now we have 8. The 8 Numicon piece is the same. First we had 7, then we added one more, and now we have 8. That tells me that 1 more than 7 is 8. Let's try another one. Let's read the sentence first. 1 more than 8 is. First, I need to find 8. First, I have 8. Then what do I do? That's right, I add one more. First I had 8, then I added one more. How many do I have now? Can you see the Numicon piece that will fit? Well done if you said 9. Now I have 9. So first I had 8, then I added one more, and now I have 9. That tells me that 1 more than 8 is 9. Now it's your turn. Read the sentence, find the Numicon piece that you need before you add one more. Work out how many you have now, and then you can come back and check. Pause the video while you have your turn. Okay, now let's check it together. Let's read the sentence first. 1 more than 5 is. So first we need. That's right. First we need 5. Then we need to. Yes, we need to add one more. How many do we have altogether? How many do we have now? That's right. Now we have 6. First we had 5. Then we added one more. Now we have 6. That tells us that 1 more than 5 is 6. Well done if you got it right. Your turn again. Don't forget, you need to find the first number too. Read the sentence to work out what you need to do, and then find out how many we have now. Then you can come back and we can check it together. Pause the video while you have your turn. Okay, now let's check it together. 1 more than 9 is. So first, we need 9. Here is 9. What do we need to do then? Yes, that's right. We need to add one more. How do I work out how many I have now? I need to find the Numicon piece that fits on top. Did you work out which one it is? That's right, it's 10. First we had 9, then we added one more, and now we have 10. That tells us that 1 more than 9 is 10. Well done if you got that right. Here's a challenge for you. This is Jess. Her teacher asked her to solve the problem. Do you think Jess is correct or not correct? Pause the video while you have a look with your grown-up. Use a sentence at the bottom to tell your grown-up if you think Jess is correct or not correct, and then to tell them why. Okay, now you've had a turn. Let's look at it together. So Jess's sentence says 1 more than 8 is 10. Let's see. So first, Jess needed 8. Yes, she got that part right. Her first number was 8. Then what does she need to do? You're right, she needs to add one more. Is that what she did? No, Jess added 2 more. Oh dear, let's take it away and we will help Jess. First, she needed 8. That's right. Then she needed to add one more. Let's work out how many she has now. Which Numicon piece will fit on top? That's right, it's 9. Jess should have written 9. She got the wrong answer. Here is 9. Okay, let's use our sentence to say what we found out. Jess is not correct. Your turn. That's right, Jess is not correct. And now we're going to say why she's not correct. My turn. 1 more than 8 is 9. Your turn. That's right. 1 more than 8 is 9. It's not 10. Well done for helping Jess to work it out. Okay, here's your job for today. Have a look at the sentences and use your Numicon to work out one more. Pause the video while you complete these questions. Don't forget to take a photo and send it to your class email address. Okay, now that you've done those, have a look at these ones. Pause the video while you do them and use your Numicon pieces to help you. Just like before, don't forget to take a photo and send it to your class email address. I can't wait to see how you get on. See you tomorrow.